Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys we unboxing with my anak, with my son. Here we go. It's got already the side.
I didn't cut the
So there is a small 5 cups. There is the rice cooker.
That's exactly like our own one. Oh, there's something else in there also.
There is guys the rice cooker 5 cup, and there is, I like this rice cooker because I like that have burn the rice little bit. What they call this, tagig. Ooh, from Los Angeles, California. This from, let's see.
Made of stainless steel. Wait, there's the
Made in
bottom.
stainless steel. Yep. Okay, I'm not know where from.
Okay.
There you go.
Here's the manual.
Yep, there is the manual here. And
Here's
there's
the
the
cover.
lid.
Lid.
Yep.
Okay. I don't know why there's a cup.
Yep,
That
that's
can
a
help, I guess.
measuring cup.
Tin foil
And there is,
here's the actual thing.
slowly
Why is it hot?
hot.
It's like it's actually cooking.
And it's cooking. What's that? Let's see.
So this is the cord.
Power cord.
More cardboard.
Ta-da! And have a spoon.
It's not a spoon.
Yeah, big spoon. Have nothing more
Something
than.
else.
And there is. Yeah, there is. This I like us until 1 hour.
Why does it look old?
If you like to cook 1 hour. This is it. There is. See, where is this made? Made in China.
Everything's made in China.
Yeah. I hope it's work because there is nice. I like
Made
it.
in China. Can't trust it. Here it is. And then you
Yeah,
have
there
to
you
take
go.
it off. And you just.
And there is, guys. I like this. 5 cups. There you go.
Let me see the back of
So
it.
we put in there the power cord.
This is where the plug. Why is it like this?
I like the stainless steel, but is have no stainless steel. So
This is stainless steel.
just the inner part are good that I like the stainless steel. But this. Here, RJ, put now the power cord here.
Cord is like this big.
And there is. Okay, let's try to cook this, guys. If work, I hope it's working. There is. Nice. Okay, guys, we here now in the kitchen, and there is inside. So
How do I pour rice?
let's try to cook a rice. This rice.
I never watched you cook rice.
So
How do you cook rice?
watch RJ so that you know.
I don't know.
This we put in here. I think is 3 cups. I put. Not 3 cups now. Not 3 cups now.
Why don't you just get 3 cups of
See
rice?
here, 3 cups. Okay, enough that.
What is rice?
Yep. And then you need to wash first this RJ so that
Why do you have to wash rice?
that they do in
at all
Philippines.
this.
RJ need to wash first.
See this one piece of rice? 2 pieces of rice, put up. And then mix it up. Make sure every single grain of rice. Oh no. I want to be infiltrated.
Diba? Good to that.
Is it bad now?
So we wash first, then cook.
It looks bad.
It looks like I that's why we wash 2 times.
Soapy it.
There you go. So we measure in my hands here. There you go. So here, in here. So need to wipe the pot so that it's not wet. So already dry now here. Sorry.
You hurt me.
So we put in this here. So here guys, need to cook now, and we put this here.
Where's the lid? Mom, you need the lid.
Have here the lid. Okay.
Yay.
Need to take off this first. So we put this in here. Yes. There we go. And then we turn on to try this
60.
50 minutes.
60. Let's go
There you
60.
go.
Let's go 60.
There you go guys. So let's see we try 50 minutes guys. I hope
Is it hot?
it's cooked properly.
Is it hot?
We're waiting for boiling here guys, not yet boil. So yan siya. Meron siyang light. This is how look like when it's cooking. It's splattering the boiling water. Almost now 30 minutes. See that. I just put the side here because it's splattering so that they go to the sink. There you go. So here guys, it's already turned off. It's cooked already. Here you go. Yan, luto na siya. It's cooked na siya guys. Yan. There it is. Rice cooker. And have a rice already cooked here. See? It's cooked now. Okay. Okay guys. We get a rice. And it's cooked in here. At this rice. It's so hot. Goodness. So be careful this guys. Oh, grabe ang init pala to. See, here guys, the rice guys is perfect. Yan. Of the rice cooker, this parts. There you go guys. See, have nothing in there. It's done. Okay guys, this is the final product. Yes, nice. I like little bit crunchy, but I not put ingredients, butter or oil, just a natural water and rice. So that's it guys, and see you next time. Bye.